Are you looking to spice up your health routine? Look no further than cayenne pepper. This fiery spice doesn't just add a kick to your meals. It also packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. Get ready to be amazed by the secret power of cayenne pepper and its incredible benefits for your body. Let's get started. Number 1, prevents cancer. Sprinkling cayenne pepper on your food doesn't just add a spicy kick. It could also be a powerful ally against cancer. The fiery red hue of cayenne pepper comes from capsaicin, a bioactive compound that has piqued the interest of researchers for its potential anti-cancer properties. Studies have shown that capsaicin has promising effects in the lab, demonstrating its ability to combat cancer cells. Delving into capsaicin's molecular mechanisms reveals its potential therapeutic applications. It has the remarkable ability to influence gene expression within cancer cells, impacting their survival, growth, and the formation of new blood vessels. This makes capsaicin a triple threat against cancer. But there's more. Recent research has uncovered that capsaicin can target multiple signaling pathways associated with both cancer-causing and tumor-suppressing genes. Essentially, it disrupts cancer-promoting processes while enhancing the body's natural defenses against tumors, a 1-2 punch against cancer. Number 2, protects the heart. One benefit of cayenne pepper as a heart protector is its ability to improve endothelial function, which refers to the health and flexibility of the endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels. Research suggests that capsaicin, the active compound in cayenne pepper, may help to enhance endothelial function by promoting the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates blood vessels and improves blood flow. This improved endothelial function can lead to better circulation and reduced risk of conditions such as high blood pressure. Furthermore, by supporting endothelial health, cayenne pepper may also contribute to the prevention of blood clots and plaque buildup in the arteries, which are major contributors to heart disease and stroke. Number 3, pain reliever. Suffering from chronic pain? Cayenne pepper could come to the resume and offer some relief. Capsaicin creams and ointments have been found to alleviate pain, particularly in conditions like osteoarthritis, by blocking pain signals to the brain. Though it may cause a slight burning sensation, the relief it offers can make it worthwhile. Imagine bidding farewell to those nagging aches and pains with the power of cayenne. Number 4, weight management wonder. Step into a world where flavor meets weight management. Studies show that capsaicin can curb appetite and increase feelings of fullness, making it a potential ally in the battle against obesity. By adding cayenne pepper to your diet, you might find yourself naturally eating less and feeling more satisfied. A spicy solution for managing your waistline. Number 5, give your skin some spicy TLC with cayenne pepper. Its antibacterial properties can combat various skin infections, offering relief from conditions like psoriasis, itching, and even nerve-related pain. Topical applications of capsaicin have shown promise in treating a wide range of dermatological issues, making it a potent addition to your skincare routine. Number 6, dealing with a stubborn cough or congestion, cayenne pepper might hold the key to relief. Its heat can help break up mucus and alleviate symptoms, offering a natural alternative to over-the-counter remedies. A dash of cayenne might be just what you need to kick that lingering cold to the curb. Number 7, digestive health. Cayenne pepper stimulates digestion and can provide relief from various digestive issues. It stimulates the production of saliva and gastric juices, which aids in the breakdown of food and promotes efficient digestion. Cayenne pepper can also alleviate symptoms of indigestion, gas, bloating, and constipation by enhancing gastrointestinal motility. Number 8, chronic inflammation contributes to many diseases, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Capsaicin, the main active ingredient in cayenne pepper, possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. It inhibits the production of inflammatory substances in the body, helping to reduce inflammation and alleviate associated symptoms. So, next time you reach for your spice rack, remember, cayenne isn't just for flavor. It's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be unleashed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this one. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. As always, feel free to leave the comments below. See you next time.